Tashidelek, and good morning, everyone. With deepest reverence to His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama, may I begin the concluding ceremony of the 34th Kalachakra initiation. We are pleased to have the gracious presence of the Honorable Chief Minister of Bihar, Shri Nitish Kumar Ji, at the ceremony today. To begin with, I would like to request the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Nitish Kumar Ji, to present a memento to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And next, I request the chairman of the 34th Kalachakra Organizing Committee, Honorable Kale for the Department of Religion and Culture, Central Tibetan Administration, Venerable Karma Gelek Yutho, to deliver welcome address and present the financial statement of the 34th Kalachakra.
Today, Payu Najo Doji Dando, Chino Honsikamgo Chem, Yawakundi Chushiba Chembo Chone, Jom Den de Be Tuki Kole, Wanjin Teng Sumju Sopshiba Zewe, Zechen Legbar Trube, Gadungi, Chilun Zego Tabde, Di Zongondo, Shapsoka, Laje Sichi Zugian, Konsekamgo Yayong, Tamji Chinji Siwa Chembo, Chodan, Chugu Lajen number. Kuja ngon de tang de tari zego di kunren zo cho de kuwa ba biar nga de chikap lenjen Shri Nitish Kumar Choda kugor lenge de zego de phe ba kune teng sumju sopshibe panje godi chogjungi ngone Gasam Rab the Kovangane, Gasu some detrashi de le, Trame Shuguye Tishi, Pumi Digdugin, Zezu Lesu Nambatan, Chinangi, Neo Mina Namba, Laju Kenlop Duzo, Gaya Zongben, Shogi Uwe, Sane Zongi, Gole Namba, Teng Sumju Sobshibe to go Wanjengi, Yanda Namba. Shushiwa Sergia Monzo, Cheba Tsangmala, Gasu Samdi Shuguye. I prostrate to the lotus feet of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama and would like to heartily welcome and offer warmest greetings to the most Honorable Chief Minister of Bihar, Shri Nitish Kumar Ji, and his delegation that accompanied him to this special function, marking the successful conclusion of the 34th Kalachakra initiation conferred by His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama. Likewise, I would like to welcome the leading dignitaries and former leading dignitaries of the Central Tibetan Administration, VIPs from several different countries, district magistrate, and all other dignitaries of the Gaya district administration, leading monastic community dignitaries, sponsoring parties of the 34th Kalachakra initiation, and the general gathering of the devotees, I would like to welcome you all to this function on behalf of the 34th Organizing Committee of the Kalachakra. The main purpose of my speech here is to present a brief financial statement of the 34th Kalachakra initiation. I will start first in English. 34th Kalachakra initiation, tentative receipts and payments accounts for the period from 2nd January 2017 to 14th January 2017. I will not go into the detail. First of all, we received 8,534,253 Indian rupees from our sponsoring groups. Then for 4 different types of donations that were collected, that is for Kalachakra Puja, tea and breads, offering to the Sangha, and long life puja. So all together we collected a donation of 15 crore 57 lakh 47,426. So this makes the total actual receipt 30 crore 43 lakh 27,378. Now about the estimated payments, the real payments and the ST payments together. Special prayers done for the Kalachakra event, 18 lakh. Kalachakra temple related expenses, 225 lakh. Printing of 8 teaching and prayer books, 45 lakh. Offering to the Sangha, 1,008 lakh. Long life prayer and related expenses, 60 lakh. Cash offering during the long life prayer, 55 lakh 55,555. Tea, bread, sweet rice, and Gana Chakra items, 250 lakh. Public tent expenses, 199 lakh. Reception expenses for the new arrivals from Tibet, 86 lakh 50,000. Reception and travel expenses of destitutes that we invited specially for this time, 160 lakh. Public security related expenses, 65 lakh. LED TV chargers, sound system, internet, and other related costs, 185 lakh. Public information and related expenses, 15 lakh. Public health and medical expenses, 65 lakh. Water, sanitation, and electricity, 230 lakhs altogether. Lodging and vehicle expenses, 100 lakh. Office equipment, printing, stationery, etc., 7 lakh. Staff kitchen expenses, 50 lakh. General and special travel expenses, including DA, 95 lakh. Thank you gifts to be offered to various parties who supported the event, 75 lakh, contingency and other expenses, 49 lakh, 21,823. So the payments and the tentative payments are also the same as 30 crore, 43 lakh, 27,378. May I take a little time to do the same in Tibetan? To go on, I think some just subject, Chungsong Zita, Robchar Yendren, Shushamse, Shibra Mogovache, Dom to Shucha, Shua in Tango, Mujung Kongla, Tuan Yunda Namne, Chunga Dom, Gor, Dangam Boom Gutola Shugi in Samalo, Boom, Yangada, Sumji Shidon, Yang of Jung Sum, and Shendep Tuan Gabla Shendep Kanga. Chi share your batinzo tone to go on the rangi shendebla, boom nija gubchu konga, da sumji geton abje shibju shekchi, gendungi manja, sheba ningu shendebla, boom truge sumju sok sumda, time guton truge trukju redu, gendun la kunje, dige sama chungai, kunje che. Boom Abja Nushu da Chikdi Sumdong Abja Shibshepshi Tenshu Gishendevla Boom Yada Geda getting Adon to get Dunjutonga Mima Ugurgi Lion Neseji Chumbala Boom Gubju Kosum da Shidi Gedon to get some Jusobdu Chingui Chumbab Hingola Chabati Chabaina Boom Abju Ngabjeda Trukti Gudon Game Trukji Rani, Che Chungo, Chunga di Gedusi, the Songa di Dusi, to go one jenking, Gajan Parchesea Tondala, Shabrim Kaji, when a mendu Shuvarati, Che do, Boom Chop Getchinsha. In Sungju Rawasar dan Ugur Dingja Sabden Lungju Chuje Shukden la Sokba that the Gekun Yon la Bum Nija Nishuzanga they done the Robzuk and Rojare Chabaka Ye Batun Shuba Bum Shibjang Abju Gendun Duzo la Kunye that the Bum Chikton Ya Bum Chik Boom Chikdi Tome Game Get Boom Chikdi Tome Game Get Tenshu Dan Reven Roger Boom Drugitamba Tenshu Numar Puva Boom Abjunga, the Natinga Dong Abjunga, Manja Dan Sheba, So Suja Desi, Jela Sonwa, Roger Robzi, Boom Yijang Abjutamba. Mima Ugurla, Roja, Boom, Yada Gubju Kogu. Herne Satu Pebe Chushu and Namgi Nelen Chedu, Boom Yaju Kadu the Ngapchi, Natitamba, Nyamdaki Nelen dan Lamdrela, Boom Yada Trujutamba, Mima Denja dan Chushu at Temgu, Ledun Sogi Chedu, Boom Trujurenga. Manzola Tidaki Ledung Chedu, Boom Yada Boom Chunga, Gonda Mima Trading Rojanche, Boom Trujuranga, Chudan Zangre, Loje in Rojan, Boom Nija Sumjutamba, Dronganda Numgor Lari, Boom Yatamba. Legun Zinja da Badun la Soba Chedum Bum Dun, Leje Sozangi, Rodun la Bum Abjutamba, Jimdu Sobo da Mixe Namdren Chela, Bum Gubjukonga, Rocha Redige Samalo. Danda Dezen Kajila, Tuji Lingbu, Puyak, Migden Che to Surje Cheba, Bum Dunjutonga, Ishaya than the Neme, Rojan in the Tumbaki Migola, and Tatakan Labati, Boom Shibju Sheguda, Nidon Yat, Boom Shibju Sheguda, Niti Chigdon, Yajan Yushizak Sumje, Dosi, and Chushua Langia, the Samalania San Shuala, Tarizita, Robjati, Tanda Robji, and the Logi Ringala Zita, Dico Duce, Goche Shai, and Tunzo Tola, Tokjo, Rabashuada, Tindekan Yavine, and then Jawana Rona, and then Nonduchin Yavina, and the Yasubju Shuains, Shuain, Tindeji, Tuchena.
I would now like to ask the renowned American actor, close disciple of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and a longtime friend of Tibetan people, Mr. Richard Gere, to address the audience.
Tashi Dalek, Namaste. There we go. It's such a extraordinary thing to be here in front of our illustrious teachers, of course, Sakya Trinja Rinpoche, and Karmapa Rinpoche, Kangatri Rinpoche, with Troshik Rinpoche, the young Tulku, and all the other Rinpoches, teachers, lamas, the Sikyong, the Kashag, the Parliament. I mean, really wonderful group of committed and extraordinary people, and most especially Chief Minister Kumar, old friend of mine, and the district magistrates and politicians here in town that have made this event happen so smoothly. I think I'm here really to represent the Western students, which are where over here? I think they're over on this side somewhere. Back over there. There you are. I don't think there's anyone here that fails to realize what an extraordinary opportunity this is. To be in Bodh Gaya, to be taking teachings from the Bhagawan, to see the Bhagawan, to be here with him, to spend these last many days with him and become completely saturated with his kindness and love and commitment. And hopefully we will all walk away with a little more kindness, a little more warmth in our hearts, a little more wisdom, a little more commitment to keep working very hard to transform our minds and our hearts. The great Milarepa once said that the real monastery, the real Gompa, is in our hearts. And of course that's true. The Buddha is really in our hearts. He's not external to us. The real Dalai Lama is in our hearts. And the more time that we spend with him, he completely saturates us with his wisdom and his compassion and his love for us. I think this is also a time to recognize that this is not an easy place to get to, Bodh Gaya, for any of us. Some of it's a lot easier than for others. And I see over here our Tibetan brothers and sisters who was a very difficult voyage to get here. And especially now that the Chinese government has made it even more difficult for them. Financially difficult in terms of their place in the community. Obviously they're threatened in all kinds of ways, that their kids will be taken out of school, that they won't have jobs, their land will be taken away from them, merely by coming here to have teachings with the Bhagavan, with His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So I think all of us really have to remember that the Tibetans inside of Tibet are really the focus of our love and compassion above and all. Everything else, it's really for them. I just wanted to say a few words, and I'm really done now. But again, just from the deepest part of my heart, I love you all. I love being here. I love Bodh Gaya. I love Tibetans. I love my Buddhist friends, my brothers and sisters everywhere. Thank you so much. Tujiche.
May I request Honorable Sekyong, Dr. Lobsang Sangye to address the gathering.
Pimilana me wuti khonzcho la kusha da kyabni gindu gide mangzo kawo sum gi zezo namba mima namba andarin de manzu mixe kundu biar gi chijab lunje nitish kumar cho changmala kasha chapche che ning tha bane chamdi dish le shwe andale pimi digsu ne 동고원제 급숨 수업시부디 고디 쉬야 기계와 상부시다 중송 가진 쉬어난 신이래 비미dig수네 소와다버시송 공사쇼네 가시 상부나버래 안탈레 dunda니 링갈라 원도 숭제 데네 동고원제 토버디 믹세 나고상게 비추 대በ칭에 임베이나 내조 도진데딜 자체 요마레 데헬 토버디 할 레베 소남 첨부 임부치 운전 쉬고요 디 운주 동고원제 토브 시송 나란즈 토네 겐디 가르스나 조시시 라마다 로마 파르기 탐지 상모과야 아다하나시 참미의 투모난체 투면난체 먼저 집에 소남 디 아니 다르베 다에들의 집에 소남디 가수 달베 친구 임베이네야 다하나시 아니 별 집에 자들을 팽기래 공주쇼 구즈르 문내기래 공주쇼 고감이네야 세타 용그래 디송사 아니 dunda니 링디 제수 아 공주쇼네 까낭워디 일을 상베 토네 창매 아니 투나 투면나로나 제제 쉬어요 시제 소셔셔 공주쇼가딜 때네 다하나시 라첸 넘버에 코나베 사메기 칠랍 때네 안탈레 동고원제 급숨 섭시베디 렉줍 중수 사수타주 중수 남시 임베이네야 야타주 때윤데요 카블라 아니 간주 라마도 로마파르기 탐지 짱모 여바다 다하나시 집에 소나미네야 카나칸점 두 삼삼식 소르송 디솔라 아니 미마 초다카 가와카사니 페여레 땡땡 공예 중요하래 나하는 시행은 주 비미 딕수 토하는 베이네야 아니 직만이 없사다 아니 낭마투브 디게라 아니 공세 쉬어이 안달레믹세 아니 비하르기 지겹lunche 니티시 쿠마르 초라 아니 그 진짜 중립세 니삭솜을 응우스 페 되게 아니 쳐라드 쯔베 대 자다 토네 간지 퇴니 튕게 가주임에 고난 태가 시범마세 아니 비하르기 게사 파트너 림베네 체동안에 레지 주셰 달레 통고원체 드디 야부 누구도 베세체 니레 니 시도나와델라 닝 타가네 투체나 쉐이 안다나시 가야기 DM레 안다나시 SSP레 안다나시 대 찰레낭의 창매기 나한솔레 쿨 케체 간지테님의 로슈 사제레 간지테님의 이내에 튕게 가르고 여베 이내야 알레 나르레 만다와 나와들라 임베 이내야 닝타바네 투치나 쉐이 안예자 야슝네 문제 돈에 시주 규부 친구레데 pemi digsu ne ya u shung lu shu dene ani u gi ngugang RBI gyuche gaya khongla ani ya ATM zuya tha ATM na la ngui yue ba ani ko ngunje che lin be ne ya ani thungge kangsap na wa de la ne ya tuche na xue yin adene da 동고원제 디 싱에 아니 Tibettv 벽 자제 규체 시작하나래 점링 치용나란 달래 동고원제 토브 중요래 믹스에 공사션 까나와 시송 별라유베 샤라치고 별입빈다 공사션라 터직도 대구 쓰고 싱에라 임베 이내야 동고원제 토바디 할 레베 개와 상보래 삼구도 안 나하나시 아니 아주 창매기 개인디 임베 이내야 다 배난 사자가시에 용고래 딱 용시지그래 아니 아주 지조나를 지금 용되고래 아니 가서 공사초원에 다나간낭송 믹스에 다 창라 세대개의 동시에 능미 나를 요라 차야 소라고 아니 쇼바다 마장 세대개의 계시 아니 능미 변조라 있는 도보도야 소바 안 나는 신지조나 다 용시에 레데 타마니다 태야 소라 되게 창마 방나로나 세체 공사촌 카페의 시송 투了장배 토네 라다나로나 시学이 안 배치나니가라 응은지 공사촌과 룹토야디 가르스나 아니 신윤디 가샤급 줍시비레 조용하면에 이내 개체슈 지구여치 슈구여라 단대 이내 개체슈 지배 토네 배나라 변조 용해레 전절 용의 변조 용해레 다 조슈슈 수수 능미 빙야레 데네 안 수수 김세레 데네 교 냠다 초라 아니 댕뒤기 신윤 낭베 토네 나랑주 비미 사야 두고 여샤버디 신윤 니데 쇠베 토네 누버차장 뿡 토에디 신도 개침브레스 디토라 아니 예바르도 베조나로나 세체 렌두슈에인 안조 아주 비미 기자들 두발라 아니 나랑조 미리 오디 개체셔레 디송즈 최 릭슌 게이디 아주기 시대집에 토네 마르즈집에 토네 디 미냠 공배 땅과디 신도 개침부시다레 최 릭슌 게이디게 미냠 공배 땅투베 임베이나 배 미리 땅 아주 비미 세투고래 비미 예베 임베이나 아니 배열에 배 짜되열에 디송자 인지 민지 아니 미리 오 송접 제베 토네 디 토라 신윤 토라 베제 강도 지도 나로나 체체 렌디슈에 조딘 아니 나랑 게르토니 베이네야 달레 동고원시디 갑 게베이 아니 동 중리 로라 데 도지데라 네조 도지데라 동고원시 토베 갑라 아니 가샤 토니 베이네야 딘데 고디 셰토나 할레베 깨버 상보레 삼수 삼시송 안 공사쇼 소와 답을 시송 안 달래 안 동고원지 갑 탱게버디 중과데 소남 친부시다이 삼구도 나는 시 멜람 게라 임베 이내야 아니 마옴베 동고원지 나랑 게르토니 임베 이내 동고원지 주버디 벽이 개살 해살 중보쇼 세세 멜람 게그여라 안 다들 공사쇼 구즈 등분내바당 고감 사대 용외기 면도다 표 친하니가 근원도 두버쇼스 제체 아니 면도 쉬어 투체나